What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're looking at the DoBuds 1. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the DoBuds 1 can do. Here we go. Have you ever gone for a run or maybe do some boxing or workout and you don't have any music with you, or you don't want wires dangling from your earbud? DoBuds 1 is truly wireless and it's active noise cancelling. It's great for places that are very loud because it has active noise cancelling. It also has transparency mode so that when you run around public roads, you want to hear the ambient noise so that if there is a car behind you, then you can hear it. This is the one for you. The DoBuds 1 has Bluetooth 5.2. It comes with 4 mics as well for clear calls. It has 12mm dual hybrid drivers. It also has an app that you can customize the EQ, 32-hour playtime, fast charging, and it comes with 4 colors: white, black, blue, and green. And it only costs $50 USD. So let's open it up and see what else is in the box. Here we go. So here's the packaging here. It has this literature right up top. It says Donor on a little case here. Pretty good design. It comes with the instruction manual, the first time use here. It also has the earbuds right here with the little plastic covering and a little accessory box. So here's the earbuds here. Let's take off the plastic now. So here is the DoBuds 1 by Donor. It has a matte finish. The inside comes with the 2 earbuds. It's magnetically placed there, which is really nice. Let's take those guys off and let's take off the plastic that covers the charging ports. This is what the earbuds would look like. Let's look at the case now. There's a USB-C port on the back. On the inside, it has a button for Bluetooth pairing. And then at the front, it has a light as well for battery indicators. The little accessory box comes with extra ear tips, small, medium, large. It has an increment as well of in-betweens, and it has a USB-C cable to USB-A. It also comes with an instruction manual which tells you the touch controls on the DoBuds 1. Now the app we're downloading today is the Donor Control. This is a special app specifically made for the DoBuds 1. Once you've downloaded the app, let's go ahead and open it up, and then we're gonna hit add devices here. And it's pretty much pretty straightforward on how to pair the DoBuds 1 to the app. We're gonna hit the plus button there to add a new device, and then we're gonna hit the Bluetooth here on our settings, and we're gonna add a new device, the DoBuds 1. Once it's connected, we go back to the app, and as you can see here, we'll be able to connect to it, no problem at all. Now in the app, there are 3 options that you can use: the ANC, normal, and the trans, which is the transparency mode. In ANC, there's different options as well to commute, indoor, outdoor, or manual noise reduction. It's really up to you now in this case. The 3 options up there are automatic. This is manual mode where you can change it to whatever noise cancelling that you want, which is really cool. I've never seen that on any earbuds before. And then there's the equalizer as well that you can choose your own Donor signature, pop, rock, monitor, classic, or rap, or you can add by hitting the plus button on the bottom to add your own. And then here, the gesture controls, you can customize the single tap, double tap, and the long press as well to whatever you want. You can also change the gesture controls on each one. So for example, only in the left or only on the right. It's really up to you as well. Now let's try out some gesture controls here. A double tap will pause and play the music, as you can see here. Single tap now on the left side will lower the volume, and single tap on the right side will increase the volume. If you want to skip the music, all you need to do is hold it for 1.5, which is the right side here. As you could see, holding the right side will skip the music. And then if you want to go back to that music, you just press and hold for 1.5 seconds the left side. Now you could do exact same thing for answering the phone call. A double tap on left or right side will answer the call if someone is calling you. And then if you want to hang up during a call, you just double tap the left or right side as well. If you want to reject a call, you just press and just long press for 1.5 seconds. If you want to switch modes from ANC transparency or normal mode, triple tap on the right side will change you there. If you want to bring up Siri or Google or a voice assistant, you just triple tap the left side and that's it. So here it is. We're testing the donor sound, the mic. We have it connected to the OBS right now. I'm going to show you. So as you can see here, we have it in the audio capture device right here. And this is the donor DoBuds one. There you go. So let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. I think this is the only way I can test the mic for the donor for you guys to see. I have it connected to our MacBook Air M1 via OBS, and I'm recording with my iPhone, so that's really good. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. And really, that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new earbuds. This is the Donor DoBuds one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I also have the earbuds at transparency mode right now. Let's do a little bit of shake test before we leave here. And it's really good. It fits really well. As you can see there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.